If the video is too fast, use the pause button to keep up. Without further ado, let's begin. Open your Facebook app and click these 3 lines. Click the Settings and Privacy. Click Settings. Then choose See More in Account Center. Click Personal Details. Click Account Ownership and Control. Click Deactivation or Deletion. Click Facebook. Select Delete Account. After that, click Continue. Select Reason: I spend too much time on Facebook. After that, click Continue. Click Continue again. Scroll up. After that, click Continue. Enter your password and then click Continue.
A few moments later.
Click Delete Account. If you delete your Facebook account, you can still change your mind and reactivate it within 30 days. During this time, your account will be hidden, but you can log back in to bring it back with all your stuff. After the 30 days, if you haven't reactivated it, the account will be permanently deleted, and you won't be able to get it back.